is Anu and I'm the Glamfra here on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and I'm happy that you're here. If you're new, please hit subscribe. I know I've been missing for a while, but I'm going to make sure that I'm uploading consistently. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. And thank you for being a part of my little family here on YouTube. So today's video is actually this look that I did using the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette. This isn't a new palette, but I just recently got my hands on it and I thought, why not use it? It's just full of very sultry colors and beautiful blues, pops of blues, and that's what kind of inspired this look. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said before, if you're new, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you here as a part of my glam fam. So without further ado, let's get into this video. And yeah, first I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. This product is definitely now my favorite eyeshadow primer. It's thin, it's opaque, and it does a beautiful job. Going in with the Natasha Denona Metropolis palette, I love this palette. Going in with the shade called Pure, just to define my crease, and I'm just buffing that gently and slowly, outer and inner corners of my eye. To deepen the curve, I'm using the shade called Antique, just to give it more definition, and I'm just taking that into the crease. Next, going in with this shade called Azoic, which is slightly greenish brown. The shimmers in this palette are to die for. I'm going in with the shade called Orium, and I'm just using my finger to put it on the lid. Just for a pop of color, I'm going in with the shade called Aqueous, which is a beautiful blue with slight shimmers, and I'm just using a small brush to do that. Next, using the Epic Ink Liner in black and creating a sharp, defined wing. Using the black gel liner from Colourpop on my lower waterline, just to define the eyes a little bit more. Adding a bit of mascara and a set of fluffy lashes. Look how gorgeous. Going in with the Colourpop BFF liner. I love this lip liner, it's the perfect nude. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Peachy. It's just so gorgeous, this shade. I'm really happy with the way this look turned out. Natasha Denona never disappoints with her palettes. I love the pop of blue, I love the gold on the lids and the fluffy lashes for the extra drama. So before you go, why don't you hit subscribe and join my glam fam, and I will see you in my next one.